Animal Kingdom. Form a circle and stand 6 feet away from each other. Select one player to be the zookeeper, who will stand in the middle of the circle. The zookeeper will close his or her eyes and instruct other players how to move around the circle. Make sure to keep your distance. When the zookeeper is ready, their eyes are covered and they say freeze. They point to someone and shout out an animal. If you are chosen, you have to make the sound of an animal that the zookeeper says. The zookeeper has 3 chances to guess who made the sound. The player who made the animal's sound switches places with the zookeeper.
Freeze. Frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Jill.
Okay, start walking. Freeze. Dog.